And isn't it crazy that like leading with love isn't the standard? One of the things that's so important about street medicine is that it really helps people remember on both sides of this equation that we're all just humans.
Toothbrush, dental floss, toothpaste, with some Narcan.
Because they are so stigmatized and so marginalized, they should receive the most help in accessing care, but they get the least of it. Like, they have so many more barriers than anyone else that is actually having a quote unquote easier life than them.
Gosh, I'm so relieved.
That was good to see her.
Yeah, and how much better he is.
Oh my gosh, night and day.
I was
night and day.
So worried about him last week. There are still ways that we have to think about how we keep our lights on, right? How do we deliver medicine? How do we make sure people have rides? And street medicine has been a patchwork for decades. But when you have instability in funding, you will always be forced to stay small. And when you are small, you can do less. And when you have more stability in funding and finances, you can do more. And so there is always a balance to be struck between making sure you have what is needed to keep the teams running and remembering that this is really about people who are struggling and suffering, and we have a mechanism in which to relieve them. Just know that you guys are really doing something special, and I hope that this kind of fills your cup in a unique way.